Warren Buffett would never buy crypto, but would he buy EcoYield, EYE? Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Crypto pre-sales are highly speculative and carry significant risk. Always do your own research before investing. What if I told you Warren Buffett's investing strategy could actually help you find better crypto projects? Sounds crazy, right? Buffett has spent decades criticizing cryptocurrencies because most don't produce anything, generate cash flow, or solve real-world problems. But instead of asking whether he'd buy crypto, let's ask a better question. Would he invest if this were a traditional business? Today, we're looking at EcoYield, EYE, a presale combining computing, renewable energy, and GPU infrastructure. Rather than chasing hype, it's aiming to support the infrastructure powering the AI revolution. Here's the Buffett method. Before investing, ask, does it solve a real problem? Is demand growing? Does it have a competitive advantage? Can it create long-term value? Would I still want to own it in 10 years? Using that framework, EcoYield becomes much more interesting. Every major AI model requires enormous GPU computing power, and those data centers consume massive amounts of electricity. EcoYield aims to combine AI infrastructure with renewable energy, targeting two of the fastest growing industries at once. Think of it this way: NVIDIA isn't valuable simply because it makes chips. It's valuable because the AI industry depends on its technology. Infrastructure businesses often become the backbone of an entire sector, and EcoYield is attempting to build part of that foundation. The bullish case is straightforward. AI demand continues to accelerate, GPU computing remains expensive, and energy-efficient infrastructure is becoming increasingly valuable. If EcoYield successfully executes its roadmap, it could benefit from all three trends. But don't ignore the risks. This is still a crypto presale, and presales have a high failure rate. Investors should research the development team, verify partnerships, study the tokenomics, understand exactly how the token is used within the ecosystem, and determine whether the business model can realistically generate long-term demand. A great idea means nothing without execution. Using the Buffett framework, I'd rate the business concept 9 out of 10, long-term demand 9 out of 10, competitive advantage 7 out of 10, and execution 5 out of 10 until the team proves it can deliver. Will EcoYield become the next billion-dollar crypto project? Nobody knows. But if you're searching for crypto investments using Warren Buffett's principles instead of social media hype, EcoYield is one of the more interesting presales worth researching. If you enjoyed this Buffett-style crypto analysis, subscribe for more deep dives into promising crypto projects, and remember, invest with discipline, not emotion.